So the other day we posted a video showing how fast our Camp Burst pop-up tent sets up. And we saw a lot of comments like this. So let's walk through how to get this thing back into its bag. After you remove all the stakes, just grab one side of the tent and fold it all the way over to the other side, creating a tent taco. Flip the taco vertically like this and grab the top edge folding inward. From there, the tent will fold into itself, creating 3 circular layers, and you're almost done. Locate the elastic strap and wrap it around so everything stays in place. Then just slide it into the tent bag and you're ready for your next adventure.